to another rote play. This is the Snowstorm. Let's get started. Come on, Emily. We need to go home. It's like 3, and you know school ends at 4.
No.
And like,
Yeah, but we only have one more class to go.
Yeah, well, like, oh, wait, here's the announcement. Beep, beep, beep. Schools, you have to leave right now because there is a snowstorm on its way. Get home. I need to ride my golf cart. Why are you bringing a thing?
That's the only thing I brought here because it wasn't that snowy.
Don't faint.
I'm not going to try to.
I need to park my thing. Let me just turn my garage on. I need to close this quickly. She should be at home in about a couple minutes. Where is she? It's been a while. I'll go check. What the heck? Why is she just laying on the ground? Is she okay? Oh, geez, I think she might have died. I need to bring her to the hospital. Oh my gosh. Is that a real cough? Maybe I'll call the 911 first. Hello, 911. Yes, my sister needs help because she fainted in the middle of the road. Oh, hello. Yes, I can take her to a thing. Okay. Okay, make sure to watch part 2, guys.